Hi boys and girls, we are going to do pencil crayon marker for our spelling words today. We always love this one because we get to use all the different colors. It's so fun. So our goal this week is to read and write short U words. So we are going to be doing those kinds of words. So the first word is hum. Tell me the sounds. Let's write it. Hum. Good. The next one, the word is gum. Tell me the sounds in gum. G, So I'm putting 3 dots, one for each sound. G, gum. The next one, we're going to do the word bus. Tell me the sounds. B, s. Good. Write the sounds for bus. B, s. Bus. After bus, we're going to do the word lug. Tell me the sounds. O, g. O, g. Good. After lug, we're going to do mug. M, g. M, g. Mug. Next word, tub. T, b. T, tub. Next word, dug. D, g. D, g. Dug. Next word, Gus. G, s. Gus. And because Gus is a name, we're going to do a capital G. G, s. Gus. Okay, we have 2 more. We're going to do jug. J, g. J, g. And the last one, us. S. S. Good. Now, boys and girls, you're going to choose a crayon and you're going to write your words again with your crayon all the way down in your best handwriting. And then you're going to get a marker out of the basket and write your words in marker. When you're all finished, you put it in the basket and start on your Lexia units. Good job today, boys and girls.